Here I have DUODUOGO J6 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to change screen timeout time on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to enter display section, and here you have this feature sleep. You can set screen timeout time here. You can set it on 15 seconds, on 30 seconds, or on 1, 2, 5, 10, or even 30 minutes. I'll set it on 2 and be glad with that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.